Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on overview of data structures. In today's video, we are going to dive deep into the fundamental topics that are essential for a budding programmer. So we will be exploring what is data structure and understand the key differences between data structures and algorithm. So whether you are starting your programming journey or looking for solidifying your knowledge, you are in the right place. So in this course, we have three primary objectives. First, we will introduce the concept of data structure, breaking it down into simple terms. Second, we will clarify the often confused difference between data structure and algorithm. And finally, we aim to provide a solid foundation of your future learning in this exciting field of computer science. Let's begin with the very basics. What are data structures? In essence, data structures are like the containers of your data. They are the system we use to organize and store information efficiently. Think of them as a drawer, a shelf, or a box where we neatly arrange our items. Imagine a real life scenario like your socks drawer. You organize your socks neatly to find the right pair quickly. Data structure do the same for your data, whether it is number, word, or any kind of information. Why do data structures matter? They are the unsung heroes of software development. They allow us to manipulate and retrieve data efficiently. If you have ever wondered why one app runs faster than the another, data structure plays a significant role in that difference. Think of data structure as the filling system in a library. They ensure books are organized and can be found quickly when needed. Similarly, in software, efficient data structure makes operations smoother and more efficient. The difference between data structure and algorithm. Now let's clarify the often misunderstood difference between data structures and algorithm. Data structures are like the containers or storage, while algorithm are like the step-by-step instructions for solving a problem. Imagine you have a cookbook full of recipes and you want to prepare a meal. The recipe you choose and the steps you follow to create the dish are entirely separate. The cookbook helps you store your recipes while the cooking process is your algorithm. So here the cookbook refers to the data structure and the cooking process is your algorithm. So now let's get hands-on with some practical examples of different data structures. We will start with array. An array is like a list, allowing you to store a collection of items. It's like having a shopping list where we can add and remove items as needed. In JavaScript, you can create an array like this. Next, we will see about linked list. And linked list is a bit different. It's like a chain of connected elements, and each element points to the next one. It's excellent for tasks like navigation through a playlist. So, what is the difference between an array and a linked list? The main difference is in an array, the allocation of memory is happening in a sequence. So, each and every subsequent memory blocks are being used by the array. Whereas in a linked list, elements are not stored in continuous memory locations. Each element in a linked list consists of two parts, that is, the data and the reference to the next node. So, nodes can be scattered in different memory locations and they can be connected by these references of each node. Up next, we will see about stacks and queues. Stacks and queues are like everyday scenarios. A stack is like a stack of books where you can add or remove books only from the top, while a queue is like standing in a line in a movie theater. The one who comes first will be served first. So let's recap what we have covered today. We started with the basic understanding that data structures are like the containers for your data and it ensures that it is organized and stored efficiently. We have discussed the importance of data structure in software development and clarified the distinction between data structures and algorithms. Finally, we dwelled into practical examples to make these concepts relatable. Thank you for joining me on this educational journey. I hope this video provided a clear understanding of data structures and their role in the real world scenarios of programming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening contents.